The most powerful scrub to cleanse the skin. If you also want to clean your skin, this video will definitely surprise you. Let's make it and see the live result. 1 tablespoon sugar. The sugar in the scrub kills dead skin cells and brightens the skin. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil vitamins are great for the skin. 1 teaspoon of coffee, and you can also use cocoa. Coffee keeps your skin healthy because it is a powerful antioxidant. Mix thoroughly to make a scrub. Coffee scrub causes blood flow to the skin and makes the skin glow. The scrub is ready. Use this special little scrub. Please repeat with me when using the scrub. Press the scrub on the points of your face. Be careful, push slowly. Great, now you have to massage the scrub on your face. Use your fingers and gently massage your face like me. Now wait for 15 minutes and then wash your face with water. Let's go see the live result. This reaction of mine is completely real. I feel great because my skin is soft and I want to touch my face again. It's really fun. I suggest you use coffee scrub to cleanse your skin. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.